Living Things quiz. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. All living things are made of skin, energy, or cells. Number 2. Any living thing is called an unicellular, organism, or organ. Number 3. An organism made of more than one cell is called intelligent, multicellular, or unicellular. Number 4. Blank is the most abundant chemical found in all cells. Lipids, proteins, or water. Number 5. Any change in the environment that makes an organism react is called response, stimulus, or repair. Number 6. Food, water, and blank, and homeostasis are basic needs of living things. Living space, air, or oxygen. Number 7. Blank is the ability of an organism to maintain stable internal conditions when the environment changes. Spontaneous generation, homeostasis, or stimulus. Number 8. Organisms that are not able to produce their own food and consume other organisms are called heterotroph, autotroph, or automorphs. Number 9. Which scientist helped to disprove spontaneous generation by using swan neck flasks and boiled chicken broth? Francesco Redi, Louis Pasteur, or Alexander Graham Bell? And number 10, select all of the characteristics that living organisms share. There are more than one. Breathes oxygen, made of cells, eats meat, contains similar chemicals such as DNA, carbohydrates, lipids, water, uses energy, can walk, grows and develops, reproduces, cares for its young offspring, responds to environment, and has eyes. Number 11. Blank is the mistaken idea that living things come from non-living things. Spontaneous generation, homeostasis, or Pasteur.